25, a small class in dealing with conditional relationships through the use of a flawed argument. Most people think they're anti-support for the tax plan. Their opposition, that's the word I was looking for, not anti-support. Their opposition for the tax plan causes them to disapprove of the job performance. That doesn't mean that if you do like the tax plan, you will approve of the job performance. That same problem in evidence in answer choice A. They think that, what was R? They think it will reduce the risk of fire. The reduction of the risk causes them to support it. He doesn't think it'll reduce the risk, so he doesn't support it. Same exact reasoning as in our argument, and again, it's flawed reasoning. What we could say is if he didn't support it, that means he must not think it reduces the risk. But we said the opposite, just like in our initial argument. And again, I love the conditionals because you can see what happened. You know, I just negated. That's bad to do. I've got to flip and negate. Now, answer choice C may have been attractive because it's well constructed, because in answer choice C, we did flip and negate. If your own financial situation is okay, then you think that the economy as a whole is going to improve. He doesn't think the economy is going to improve, so his own financial situation is not okay. That's a well-constructed argument, and therefore it is not the same. Answer choice E. Bad argument, but in a different way. Notice here, instead of just negating them both, we simply flipped without negating. Answer choice B, of the people who expect the population to increase, but Barb, or Bonita, not Barb, Bonita doesn't expect the population to increase. So they just told us she's not in that group. That's different from our argument in which we were concluding that the person was not in the group, instead of being informed that she didn't belong to the group. And answer choice D just didn't give us any reason that they believe that thing. All right, so that's that. All right, so in that video, I showed you why the right answer was the right answer. What I didn't show you is how to get there. I didn't give you a method. Didn't give you a system. I didn't talk about pattern recognition. And the reason is, that's where I think the value is really at. If you think that having a systematic, methodological, comprehensive means of kicking the LSAT in the nuts is worth paying for, then check out that link of all our course offerings and join the team. And if not, totally cool. Please continue to make the best use you possibly can out of all these free videos, and tell your friends and everybody you meet along the street and in everyday life how awesome we are. Of course, if you think these videos are awesome, you really ought to see what's in the paid